Okay, I'm getting a little further into this turbo. Alright. This is the intake compressor wheel. Alright, it was pretty much covered in oil. I wiped off a lot of it. Alright. Got that off of here. Now this is the shaft that it attaches to. Alright. And so I'm going to try and do this so you can see it on the camera. Alright. But it does have quite a bit of play. It's going to be difficult to do. It's really hard to tell here in the camera, but basically, every time I move this thing, and a little bit more oil just squirts out past that seal. Alright, but a side-to-side movement. Doesn't really want to sit still inside that hole. Not like it's supposed to. There you go. Kind of see it pretty good right there. You can see the oil squishing back and forth in there. Alright, anyway, I'm curious to see what the shaft looks like in the middle of this thing. That's what I want to see. I want to see what that shaft looks like in the middle, see if it's actually torched or what happened.